If you like a video on the camhor.tv website and want to get it offline on your computer, well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can achieve this download. Hello everyone. This happens to be my very first video I'm posting to YouTube, and what I'd like to show you is exactly what I said, how you can download a public video from the camhor.tv website. What I'll show you works also for any private videos you might have access to. So clearly, the first thing you need is a link to a page containing a public video hosted on the camhor.tv website. And you can distinguish public from private videos easily. Private videos have private written over them, in addition to being somewhat dimmed and also having a small lock icon on top of them. So, as said, this is my this is a URL to a page hosting a public video on the website. And so the first thing you need to do is well, open up a new window of your favorite web browser. This is Chrome. I will paste the URL in the browser, but don't immediately load up the page. Before that, open up the developer tools window. This is the developer tools in Chrome. So developer tools can also be opened up by clicking the F12 function key, and then you have to select the network tab, because we need to look at files being downloaded as soon as we request our page. In the network tab on the right pane, you have a timeline. So this is the timeline, and below that you have a list view that will be displaying over here files as they get requested and downloaded. On the other pane over here, you have a search text box, and we will use it to filter out, to search among the downloaded files. So let's load up the page, and okay, at this point I can minimize my browser, and you can see that we have the timeline over here, and we have the list of files downloaded just below it. And what we need to search for is a video file, an MP4 file with get underscore file as part of its URL. So it's get underscore file. So I run the search, and here's the file. Here's the file, and you can see that it's indeed an MP4 file and has get file as part of its URL. Now, if I double click it, the file gets selected on the right pane. I then click my right mouse button, select copy, the copy menu item, and then copy as PowerShell. This copies in the clipboard a PowerShell command to download the file. Now, this is a PowerShell prompt, PowerShell command line. I click the right mouse button to copy the command I had in the clipboard, and I manually add an additional parameter to the command, and that is the out file parameter, which allows me to specify where I want the file to be downloaded. And so I specified a folder, and I specified a name for the MP4 file. So this is the folder where the file will be downloaded and written to. At this point, I just execute, I press enter and execute the command. You see that immediately the bytes start being downloaded, and the file is there. I can click it and see it. So you've seen it. The process is pretty simple. You simply have to identify among the downloaded files the video file, the MP4 file you want to get. You then copy the PowerShell command to download it, and you eventually specify where you want the file to be written to, and that's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope you learned something new. Please do let me know, for example, by clicking the I like this button just under the video. And if you if you did appreciate the video, I'll be making more in the coming weeks. Thank you, and bye.